Boom. Backup light out. Awesome. Okay. I wonder why. What's going on, guys? Today here we are in front of AutoZone. I'm going to show you exactly how to replace your backup lights on a Chrysler 200. All right, first things first, let's get back there and open the trunk. Once your trunk's open, you're going to want to pull back on these tabs. So when you open this, you're going to look at that, and it's going to be this wire right here. You can twist it to the left and pull it out, and your bulb's going to be there. In this specific case, I had this bulb and it was out, so I went to AutoZone. This is the box. This is the number 921 that you need, the part number for the backup lights on the Chrysler 200. So we're gonna go ahead and grab one and install it. Once we have the new bulb in here, we're gonna bring it back and twist it in place just like we took it out. All right, once it clicks like that, it's on. There you go. Now we're gonna have somebody do the backup lights and hope they work. Put your pieces back, and there you go, guys. That's how you replace your backup lights. Let's go inside. And after turning the car off and back on again, I put it in reverse, and the backup lights work. Tap on the brakes. The backup light. Yep, backup light works. Awesome. Thank you so much.